This is ridiculous. So, did you guess it right, y'all? This is a Fiat 124 Spider Abarth. I don't know how to drive manual. Oh boy. And here we are at a busy intersection in the rain. This is gonna be a disaster. There it is. It's soaking wet. Oh, it smells a little. Oh, it's not too bad. We'll clean her up. Oh, wow. Here she is. Oh, that sounds good. Oh my God. I don't even know what I'm doing though. That's the problem. I'm already scared. This is gonna be scary. Okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna like stall it right here. I did it. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't stall it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. This is so scary. I'm not good at driving stick. I am not good at driving stick. I don't know if I can park this. I'm just gonna pull in right here. I don't know how that worked out. I'm not even sure what I just did. That sounds great. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, well, we did it. That's the first day of ownership. That was scary, but I feel alive, y'all. I feel alive. The Model 3 never gave me that. Oh my God. And we got heated seats. Yeah. Let me put this thing back up. One of the most important things here is to this is a little embarrassing, but I think it'll actually save me some drama. Huh? Does that... Does it stick? Oh no. Come on now. How much money do you want to bet that these are gonna fall off? Whoa. Did you see that? Oh my God. Dude. What the heck? How much dirt can this thing hold? Bro. Oh, that's bad. It's there. Oh my God, I'm making a mess. Oh. Oh God. Let's try this. Holy crap. From 70 million particles. I vacuumed my entire house and gotten smaller numbers. Yeah, of course. Thank you, you as well. Have a great rest of your day and happy holidays. Anyway, so we're gonna use one of these upholstery cleaners. Oh, that's awesome. That's super cool. There we go. So next we're gonna use this upholstery cleaner. It's plugged into my power station because there's no outlets around here. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied. Whoa, oh my. Oh my God. That is straight black, bro. Oh, jeez. Oh boy. Well, glad we did that. Okay, so here comes the fun part. I think we're gonna be done with the interior for now. So we're gonna, whoa, shit. I think we have to replace the hydraulic struts. Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. There we go, look at that. Whoa. Maybe I'll take these off for now to clean the car. Oh my God. What the fuck? That's not good.
Okay, the car's freaking clean. Time, gosh, diddly doodle, time to show it to friends. Yeah.
Okay, so I just told my roommate that I'm going to show him a modification that I made to my Tesla, but in reality, we're going to surprise him with the new Fiat.
Hello? Oh. Hello, Chaggy.
Oh man, yeah, so this modification to the Tesla is pretty wild. Walk it out of frame. God.
Hey, where is it?
I actually can't remember where I parked it. Oh.
No,
Maybe,
stop it.
maybe it's that.
No. What is this thing?
What is that? Here. Is this it?
When did you get this? I told you not to buy a new car.
What?
I told you not to buy a new car.
But baby. Hop in, bitch. Let's go, let's go.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Dude, it's the perfect weather. Where's your Tesla? Did you sell it?
No.
Fancy one.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm a little scared.
Me too. I don't know how to drive stick.
Oh god, it's stick. I'm gonna say, I don't know, 70,000? No, well, what if it was new? Oh my god. That
I don't know.
sound bad.
I don't know how to drive. Can you? Hello.
Tarashi. Oh my god! Oh my god! There she is!
Yeah.
Whoa.
Are you ready?
It's time for a ride.
Yeah. Oh wait, do that again.
Boom!
Oh my god, yeah. You ready for the business?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Hi guys, if I don't make it back home, Mom, I love you. Dad, I love you. To my ex-boyfriends, I hate you all. Ah! I'm so scared.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, pregnant.
I don't know how to drive. Wow.
I feel so hot right now.
We are in yeah.
Like sexually.
Yeah, like this. Good. That's the point of
I
this
should have
car.
worn makeup. Now I know why you like this. Okay, answering questions about Andrew's car.
Yeah.
Will it get you roadhead?
That's an important question, but that's not what I'm gonna. Let me just get out of here first. So, question number 1: will this car get you roadhead? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Ah, booyah. Question
Not
number.
for me, but yes. Good answer. Ah, that was such a tough turn.
Oh, thanks. I did it myself. What do you think of that sound?
I actually don't like it.
Really?
Yeah. I think guys like get like a hard on for it, but I think for me it's like, I don't know, I think the sexiest things in life are like quiet and not ostentatious.
I think objectively, if done correctly, the sexiest things in life are quite loud. This being one of them.
You know I'm not talking about that. Thanks for this ride, Andrew. Look at this.
So let's get the roof off here. I think that's the fastest roof that you can get. And let's turn this bad boy on. I think this is probably one of the most ignored, untalked about sports cars, making it one of the best bangs for the buck that you can possibly get right now. I really don't think that you can do a whole lot better than this in terms of value. I mean, let's go over some facts here for a second. This car, this Fiat 124 Spider Abarth, has like a tremendous amount of Mazda Miata DNA. This thing is assembled in the same factory in Hiroshima, Japan, on the same assembly line as the Mazda Miata. One of the key differences is that this has the last generation Mazda Miata transmission because those were a little bit better at handling torque. And this is a bit torqueier than the ND, or the current generation Mazda Miata. And then you could probably hear the other difference. It's that it has the 1.4 liter turbo multi-air engine, which is the same one from the Fiat 500 Abarth. And that thing sounds crazy. And this doesn't quite sound as wild as that, but when you remove a couple things, like those pesky little mufflers, it sounds right. I picked this thing up for like $16,500. It has 30,000 miles on it, and it is just perfect. I dare you to go find another car that's that good of a value. So for $16,500, can you really do much better? You get the tried and true Mazda Miata, but it sounds better. It's extremely rare. They only made these from 2017 to 2020, and I've only ever seen one in the wild. One. And that was in Florida. I've never seen a single one here. Period. I went on, I checked online, and I think I found like within 500 miles, I found like maybe 4 of these. What's not to love about this? We went to Florida like a week or 2 ago. I swear to God, like I was gonna buy a Corvette, but we saw Corvettes everywhere. Everywhere. They are so common. Like, I can understand why people get all like caught up about the collector's editions, because like when you buy a Corvette, like you want to feel kind of special, right? Like you spend some money to get a cool car. I get it. But then there's so many of them, so you're like, oh, my Corvette's special. My Corvette's the 50th anniversary edition, blah, 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 this, that. You don't need no 50th anniversary edition of this one. This one's only been made for 4 years. And that's it. So you got your exclusivity built into the package. A lot of the parts, they just come straight off the Miata. So you have a pretty awesome aftermarket in that sense, with the exception of things related to the engine and some of the transmission. So then the question's like, why is this being slept on? Why did this not sell? And I think the reason is because people didn't realize how much of a Mazda Miata these things were. Because like, if it's just a regular Fiat, yeah, I don't want it. Like, I'm scared of it. You should go buy one before you can. And people realize that these are actually dope. And then you can't get one for $16,500 anymore.